And we are back here. So let's take a look at Puzzle Pigman first. So Puzzle Pigman had the first step, but the part that Puzzle Pigman did wrong was, so is the answer correct? No. You forgot the second step with the two sheets. So the final answer then, so the rest are blue, then because then it says today he used 2 blue sheets. So the answer really is 3, because it should be 5 minus 2 equals 3 for the real answer. That's how many pieces are left. Let's take a look at this one. So this is 2 steps. Now there's different ways that you can do this. I'm just going to show you two different ways you can do this. So you can break it really down into 2 steps. So 14 passengers. When it stopped, 14 people got off. So there's 14, take away 5 equals 9. Then 8 more people got on. So there's 9 people, 8 more got on equals 17. Or you could do it as one big full equation, 14 minus 5 plus 8. Because the 14 people, 5 people got off, 8 more got on. And when you're doing a big equation like this, remember you always do parentheses first, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. So this works, because I could do 14 minus 5, which is 9, plus 8 more, which is 17 still. So you could solve it either way there, and you have to make sure you have a label, using a label, because it says solve each problem, label answers. So 17 students. Okay, then number 3, there are 15 fish in a tank, 12 have stripes, and the others do not. Okay, well, I first have to figure out this. So 15 minus 12 equals 3. So there's 3 fish that do not. But then it says for the second part, how many more striped fish are there than fish without stripes? Okay, so there's 12 with stripes, 3 with not. So I have to do 12 minus 3 equals 9. So there are, how many more striped are there? 9 striped. Okay, check your answers, check your thinking against mine. Here I have the 17 students. Here I have the 9 students. So just check your answers, check your thinking. Next page here. I'm going to read all of these, and I'll show you my thinking for one of them, and then we'll come back and check them. So it says, solve each problem, label the answers. Sunmi picked 14 apricots. You should always be doing your underlining as well. Underlining helps so much. Cecilia picked 5 fewer apricots than Sunmi. How many apricots did Sunmi and Cecilia pick all together? Okay, definitely multi-step. And I'll stop there. Like I said, I'm just going to do one problem. So Sunmi picked 14. Cecilia picked 5 fewer. Okay, well, I know that. So switch back to black. 14 minus 5, because she picked 5 fewer than her. So that's 9. How many apricots did Sunmi and Cecilia pick all together? Okay, so I know that Sunmi picked 14. Cecilia, she picked 9. So then my numbers I'm going to use together are 14 plus 9 equals 23. 23 apricots. There we go. Okay, because just if that's a little confusing at first, so it's Sunmi picked 14, Cecilia picked 5 fewer than her. So fewer meaning like less. So I'm just going to double check that makes sense. Yep, because Cecilia picked fewer than her, so this number should be smaller. Sunmi picked 14, Cecilia picked 9. How many altogether? Well, 14 plus 9 equals 23. Okay, I'm going to read the rest of these, and then you're going to solve them. Annie took 8 photographs at home and 7 photographs at school. Her sister Amanda took 6 fewer photographs than Annie. How many photographs did Amanda take? And I'm going to go back. I'm just going to do my underlining too. She took 8 photographs at home, 7 at school. Her sister Amanda took 6 fewer. How many did Amanda take? Okay. There are 5 sheep, 3 goats, and some rabbits in the petting zoo. Altogether, there are 15 animals. How many rabbits are there? Okay. A new library opened on Saturday. The library lent out 234 books on Saturday. On Sunday, they lent out 138 books. By the end of the weekend, 78 books were returned. How many books were not returned? Well, that's a good one. Number 8, Katie had 8 dimes and some nickels in her duck bank. She had 4 more nickels than dimes. She took out 5 nickels to put in her coin purse. How many nickels are in the bank now? That's a great problem. Tony had 14 colored pencils. There were 9 of them that needed to be sharpened, and the rest were sharp. Yesterday, his uncle gave him some new color pencils. Now Tony has 12 sharp color pencils. How many color pencils does Uncle give him? So some great multi-step problems. Go ahead and solve these problems. Check these problems. When you are done, come back and check against my thinking.